Hello friends, today we will be changing the batteries on this Festina men's watch. So let's start. I usually keep a bubble wrap under the watch when I'm doing this job so I don't scratch the screen on the watch. So let's start by taking out the strap first. I use this tool to open the strap first and just pop out this pin. Then I have this kind of a tool that I use to take out the back on the open the back on the watch. Just turn around and it should pop out. With the set of pliers, let's take out this plastic casing, which is a protective covering on the watch. So if you can see closely, this is a Seiko battery in this watch. So I will be using one of my jeweler's loupe or the magnifying glass just to ensure which battery are we using here. So it says it has an SR927SW. Maybe I'm not sure if you can see this through the video. But yeah, it has an SR927W battery in it. So just let's pop out the battery. If you can see, it has a small kind of a spring mechanism here. You press it out and the battery will be released. Also, I don't know if I can show you here, but it's a Miyota clockwork inside it, Os20. It's a Miyota Os20. I will also mention it in the description. I'm sure this kind of clockwork is also used in many other watches. Okay, so here I have the new battery from Sony, SR927, just the correct replacement for this watch. Let's take out this battery, and as I mentioned, we have the small spring here, so we just need to ensure that the spring is extended, and then we can push the battery in. I do it usually with the set of pliers again. Let's ensure that it's working, and as you can see, we have movement in the seconds hand here, right at the bottom over here, so the clock is working. So we have done a good job here. Let's put the plastic casing back exactly the way we took it out, and let's place this back cover again. I'm using a very cheap Chinese set of tools right now, but it can get the job done for cheaper watches. Let's tighten it up as much as possible. And also let's fix this strap again. So there we go, friends. We have fixed this Festina watch and it's working. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.